Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today we are going to talk about this incubator, which is fully automatic incubator, which is 70 eggs incubator, and it have this temperature sense meter, which is XHW3001, and this is the humidity controller, which is XHW3005, and this one is a timer for the tray. This circuit is for the heater, and this circuit is for the humidity here, which is making humidity right now. So in this method all the circuits are individual, which can be replaced if there is any kind of faulty in there. So you can change them one by one. If this circuit goes bad, you can change it. Otherwise, if you use this kind of circuit which have all the controllers in there, XM18 or XM18 SW or D, you have to completely change the whole model. You cannot repair it because that is very difficult, because it is internal electronics. So here it is a LED button which can be turned on and off when the temperature is off, the heater is off. You can use this LED, and this one is for the whole current over here, right, like this. It will close all and everything like this. And there is a temperature and humidity meter, which is useful for checking the difference between them. Like you see 36.5 and 36.6, so temperature is perfect, but the humidity is different, 64 and 77. It's a big difference, but after 1 and 2 hours it will be really close to 1 degree difference. So if you see this whole incubator body, its size is 2 feet from down to top, and from the front to the depth is 18 inches or 20 inches, and from the front to width is 18 inches or 20 inches. So we can take the measure. Okay, let's open it up and let's see. So here is a heater, there is a fan, and there is humidity, and this is the tray. So the fan is throwing all the air onto the top side, and all the air is turning away onto this heater, and is getting all together on the top side, and then getting downside from here to these trays. On these sensors are onto the second tray, which is the hatching tray. After 18 days you have to take out all the eggs and put them here. So this is the hatching tray, and this is the humidity maker, which is 24 voltage humidifier. You can see mist maker. So it is making humidity. All the temperature meter, temperature air will come down and take away this humidity to the top, and it will cover all the area, because it is sucking the air to the top side and throwing it on the top side. You can see there is no sticker. This sticker is on to the top side. There is a LED, which is useful when the heater is off for a long time, because it is covered with the aluminium, very thin sheet of the aluminium, which is very good for the insulation and everything, which is going to use less energy, which is best for using into the incubator. So you can see there is a supply, 12-volt supplies for the fan and the circuits, so you can change them easily as well. So it is a neat and clean design. You can make your own by watching our videos of making incubator and the circuits, like this timer XYZ04 or 02, or this W3001 and W3005. You can search and on Umair's Workshop these models numbers, and you can see their settings and the wirings, which is easy to use, easy to make. So you can see this is a nice setting for the incubator. Big window, big display. You can see inside easily, but it is also not good because it uses a lot of energy out of the box, which is not good. but if you use thick glass then it's good. So you can see there is a thin line of this into this door. There is a thin line of a gap, you can see, so which is really good for the ventilation. All the air is going in from the downside of the door and coming out from this area and this area, so it is good. Otherwise, if you don't have any gap onto the door, you have to do the holes onto the back side, of 2 holes onto the back side, top side and the bottom side. So it is a good option for making incubator. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.